Hello traders, quick rundown of the top option activity for the day, and you can imagine most of it is all upside volume, of course. So basically what I'm going to say here, like the video if you like it, and then follow me or make comments if you can at the bottom. I appreciate it and that stuff. Weight Watchers, it is up, the 18 calls were up 1,400% today, and it was even higher than that at one point. So what an amazing move on Weight Watchers today. The Oprah effect is really starting to pay off, it looks like. Palo Alto Networks was an earnings play, and the news came out today. And to see a move like this, even with the earnings being pumped up, that is amazing. The 115 calls were up 1,300% despite the earnings premium being priced in already. So, amazing move. Okay, Deutsche Bank. The 21 calls made a fortune today. 1,200% return on Deutsche Bank. ExxonMobil, we got a short squeeze today on ExxonMobil. This is one of the most bearish Dow component charts. We came up and tagged our signal line on ExxonMobil. In my prior video, I said if markets were to continue to rally, XLE and energy is likely a long here. So something to watch. I'm not so sure that we haven't seen the top of the markets. Citigroup came up and testing the breakout again. We're back within the breakout range. We still haven't cleared a breakout yet for Citi. And the 62 calls made 500% today. This one here is kind of shocking. Delta Airlines, the 52 calls were up 400% today. And that's on a relatively small move today, so quite amazing on that move. Darling International, looks like they were up about 400% today too, and it was an earnings play today on the 15 calls. Wells Fargo, the 61 calls are on fire. 291% return today. And this goes with my last video where I suggested that the home builders are about to outperform, and this goes right in within that same scenario. JP Morgan broke out today on extremely high volume, and the 9450 calls were active today at 281% return. Quite awesome on that. And this is kind of amazing because JP Morgan was just yesterday downgraded the pretty much they were given lower guidance for the entire economy, and that's why the market sold off yesterday. So something here is fishy. Cisco, the 3450 calls were active, up 250% today, and this is one that we just came out of prior 2008 highs, and we're poking our head out above as of today. We started the morning off with Apple just being on fire, and it stayed on fire all day long today. Tim Cook came out with some comments about they got more products in the pipeline that they're planning on launching here real soon, and that was just enough to get them to really get the stock really start moving. The 141s, 142s, 139s were all paid good. Google had a horrible day yesterday, but it got it all back and kept on going. It gapped up above yesterday's range and just kept on going today. And so Google was up considerably, 202% today. So that was another one. A couple others here that did extremely well today. You had Kroger, and that was a short squeeze on Kroger. Micron, that's a semiconductor. Microsoft, and even Disney caught a little bit of a bid, But yeah, it's pretty much green across the board today. Let me, 1 second here. On the flip side, Target 58 calls continue to get hit after a horrible earnings yesterday. Retail did horrible today in relative to the S&P 500. So that's just something to keep on your watch here. And then, see, let me check here. Another one that stands out that did bad today was Intel. The 36 calls lost 50% of their value. It caught a downgrade today, and it really looks like Intel is preparing to get some relative weakness versus the. It's already got relative weakness, but it looks like it's about to turn into bearish territory here. Well, those are the main things that happened today that really jump out at me. Man, it was an amazing run today, and you know, logic would say we're going to get a pullback tomorrow, but this market's well beyond logic. So, good luck all. I'm working the rest of the week, so I'll catch you next week. See you later.